Hi guys, blackheads are one of the most common skin concerns in the world, and yet most of the advice out there is still deeply wrong. The strips that promise to pull everything out, they lift the surface. The pore refills within days. The aggressive scrubs that claim to deep clean, they irritate your skin barrier, which actually signals your skin to produce more oil, the exact opposite of what you want. And the random popping and squeezing, as satisfying as it might feel in the moment, can push debris deeper, cause scarring, and enlarge the pore itself. Your skin isn't the enemy here. It's just not getting the right routine. And that ends today. Clear explanation. So, what actually is a blackhead? Deep inside your pores, your skin produces something called sebum, a natural oil that's actually good for your skin. But sometimes, that oil mixes with dead skin cells, gets stuck at the surface, and when it meets the air, it oxidizes. It turns dark. That's the black. It's not dirt. It's not bacteria. It's just oxidized sebum sitting in an open pore. The goal of deep pore cleaning isn't to strip your skin bare. It's to gently loosen that buildup, clear the channel, and then this part is crucial. Close and protect the pore so it doesn't fill right back up. Simple, logical. And when you do it correctly, deeply satisfying. Preparation phase. Before you touch your skin at all, there's one step that most people skip, and it makes all the difference. You need to prep the pore. Think of your pores like tiny doors. Right now, they're closed, locked tight. Trying to clean them without opening them first is like trying to get mud out of a keyhole. What you'll need is warmth. A warm, damp towel laid gently over your face for 2 to 3 minutes, or a low-heat steamer if you have one. No boiling water, no scalding temperature, just warm. Comfortable, like a spa moment for your face. Feel that? That gentle softening around your nose, your chin, your forehead? That's your pores relaxing, opening, getting ready. Also, clean hands. Always, non-negotiable. Core techniques. Step by step 1. The double cleanse. Start with a gentle oil-based cleanser. Massage it in slow, circular movements across your nose, chin, and forehead. The oil binds to the sebum inside your pores, dissolves and lifts it to the surface. You'll feel it warming slightly as it works. 30 seconds. Slow circles. Let it do its thing, then rinse with lukewarm water and follow with a gentle, water-based cleanser. Foam lathers lightly across your skin. Rinse clean. Your face should feel soft, not squeaky, not tight. Soft. Step 2. The BHA exfoliant. This is where the real work happens. A BHA, salicylic acid, is oil-soluble, which means it can slip inside the pore itself and dissolve the buildup from within. Apply a thin layer to areas where blackheads live. Let it sit. Don't rinse it yet. Give it 60 seconds to work quietly and invisibly, loosening everything inside. Step 3. Gentle extraction if needed. Now, and only now, if there's a blackhead that's clearly at the surface, you can gently press around it. Not on it, around it. Using your fingertips wrapped in clean tissue, apply even, downward pressure on both sides. If it doesn't move with light pressure, leave it. It isn't ready. Forcing it causes damage. What glides out easily? That's the satisfying part. That's what we're here for. Step 4. The clay mask. Smooth a thin layer of kaolin or bentonite clay across the oily zones. Watch it settle. Feel it gently tighten as it draws out the remaining impurities. Not aggressively, just steadily. Let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes. Not until it's cracking. Just until it's set. Safety and common mistakes. A few things I need you to hear before you run off and try this. Do not do this routine every day. Once a week, maybe twice for very oily skin, is enough. Overdoing it strips your natural barrier, and a damaged barrier means more oil, more clogging, and more blackheads. Less is genuinely more. Never use high heat during steaming. It breaks capillaries and can cause permanent redness. Warm, not hot. And if your skin is currently broken out, inflamed, or irritated, skip the extraction step entirely. Clean, treat, moisturize. That's it. The extraction can wait for calmer days. Your skin is not a project to be conquered. It's something to be listened to. Post-care and recovery. After any deep clean, your skin needs reassurance. The pores are open. The The surface is fresh. Now you need to seal and protect everything. Apply a hydrating toner first, something with hyaluronic acid or centella. Press it in gently with your palms, not a cotton pad. Let it absorb for a moment. Then your moisturizer. Something lightweight and non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog what you just cleaned. This step is not optional. A clean but unprotected skin barrier will overproduce oil to compensate. You'll be right back where you started. Finish with SPF if it's daytime. Always. Your freshly exfoliated skin is more sensitive to sun damage right now. Prevention psychology. The best deep clean is the one you don't have to do as often, and that comes down to daily habits. Change your pillowcase every few days. Your phone screen touches your face more than you think. Wipe it down. Never skip your nighttime cleanse, even when you're exhausted, and drink your water. It sounds cliche, but hydrated skin regulates oil production better than most products ever could. A niacinamide serum used consistently will visibly shrink the appearance of pores over time. Retinol, used gently and at night, will increase cell turnover and stop blackheads from forming in the first place. Small habits. Quiet consistency. That's the real secret. Emotional payoff. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, walking to your mirror and running your fingers across your nose, and feeling smoothness where there used to be texture. Imagine foundation that sits evenly. Light that reflects cleanly off your skin instead of scattering in every direction. The quiet confidence of not thinking about your pores the moment you step into a room. That's not a fantasy. That's just consistent, gentle skincare done right. And you just learned how to do it. Thank you for watching.